youthful aggressiveness has brought 5 supporters, very muscular. So we'll have to see what goes on now. This is going to be hardcore, so those of you who don't have insurance, please, I think it's time you have one. The topic is all the money in the world or all the power in the world. Which one is the winner? So may I call upon the 2 contestants for the final round, that is Suresh versus Wasim. Give them a round of applause. Good friends, now bitter opponents. Suresh will be speaking, all the power in the world is the winner. Wasim will be speaking, all the money in the world is the winner. Let us see who convinces who. So I will ask Suresh, and by the way, just to tell you, both are engineers, both work for very highly respectable companies, and both have a successful track record. So let us see who bites victory and who bites the dust. So we have Suresh who will speak, all the power in the world is the winner. Suresh, on to you.
Naked I came into this world from my mother's womb, and naked shall I depart. What is good with all this money if you forfeit your soul? These are the words of a great prophet about money. If this is what money is about, what is power? Power is the ability or potential to enhance human life significantly through positive influence or action. And this is the power which Mahatma Gandhi had when he challenged the British regime. This is the power that Nelson Mandela had when he challenged apartheid in South Africa. And this is the power Lech Walesa had when he stood up for the oppressed people of Poland. And this is what Aung San Suu Kyi is doing now in Myanmar, sitting in her solitary confinement for the last 19 years, fighting for the people of Myanmar. None of these people had the money power like Bill Gates or Warren or Lakshmi Mittal or the great Ambanis. What they had was the power to motivate people, to influence society, and to uphold social values. Karl Marx said way back that money is the most disruptive influence both on individuals and the society as a whole.
Are you socialist?
Ladies and gentlemen, to conclude, let me quote from the speech of our divisional governor, Philip Demello. I would prefer to be one of those 12 bees who have the power to contribute to that 1 teaspoon of honey, which my friend Wasim will buy with his money power and enjoy self-fulfillment.
Let's give a round of applause. We clearly know where Wasim supporters are anyway. It's very evident. Okay, Wasim, can we have your argument why money, all the money in the world is a winner?
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished Toastmasters, honored guests. My opponent is trying to come up with a debate saying that money is evil. But what I try to tell you is that the lack of money is actually evil. Money is actually, what I would like to make it sure here, that we discuss the concept of utilization of money for the best of all human beings, including me, yourself, everyone else. Everything has two folds. Power can be used for bad, and money can be used for bad. Let's eliminate this from the table now. We'll discuss only the good use of all of these issues. Now, what I would like to tell you actually, that he actually tried to use Mr. Mahatma Gandhi as an example. But let me ask you this question. Mr. Mahatma Gandhi, when he tried actually to suppress the British Empire, what did he start to do? He started closing the boycott on the utilization of production of salt, which is basically actually the way money is. It is actually it is the reason that wars are started. But actually, it is one of the things. This is money, and power is one of the things that money can buy you. If I need someone to run up my company, I will bring Mr. Suresh there and make him run for the. volunteer to help you and to help. If I have money, I already had power.
Okay, that was on. Give a round of applause, please. And now, could we have a question for Suresh? Oh, sorry. I got carried away. Okay, both of you, Suresh versus Wasim. Suresh, your first question.
My friend Wasim, do you know who is Carlos Slim? Do you?
No.
You know who is Sheldon Adelson?
Can you tell me?
Carlos is the third richest man in the world, and Sheldon is the sixth richest man. What have they contributed to the society? But he remembers Mahatma Gandhi. He had the power to motivate people. Thank you very much for bringing that up. This is what exactly I want to prove. Money stays with you so long as you live, you enjoy. But the moment you die, money is gone.
Power is only useful if you hit the right.
You take all the money with you and give me the power of George Bush. You be Bill Gates. If I make a resolution in US Congress that I am confiscating all the money from Microsoft, you are a pauper.
Other side is also true. Other side is also true.
Power, I said, positive influence.
You can fix the presidents. Everyone.
Okay, now we'll have a question from the audience. Any question from the audience? Oh, yeah, you sorry.
Mr. Suresh, let me ask you one small question. Why did you come to the United Arab Emirates?
There is a difference between the need for sustenance and need for money. Need for money is to make sure that your family, the need for money is different from need for money.
I know a lot of people who came from senior positions in India who had a lot of power and came.
Okay, thank you. Okay, can we have a question from the audience? Anyone for Suresh? Yes, we have a lady who wants to attack Suresh. Okay.
I would like to ask you, are you saying that the governor came from Bahrain to here using his power? He didn't pay any money for his flight?
That's what. His presence, that his power of charisma had more effect on you than the money he paid. That's what I want.
That's good. Philip, you know who to vote for.
One more.
Yes, please go ahead.
What is power without money? Nothing.
And you can't do everything with money.
I said Mahatma Gandhi was not rich. Nelson Mandela was
Imagine if he was a rich man.
It's the motivation. Power doesn't mean power like the military power.
He knew
It is
that.
the power
He
to
knew that.
motivate people to do
He
things
knew
in the
that
right
the British
way.
people had the power by their grip
This
because of
is a
economic reasons.
The word
Once
power
you
has a stigma. That's power is not control.
Okay, now can we have a question for Wasim? Wasim seems to be getting very less questions now. Can we have any question for Wasim? Anybody?
Right, no question.
We have a youngster here. Yes, you can ask him.
You said that money can buy a friend. When you lose all your money, the friends also go.
Oh, good. Very powerful statement. Yes, your answer for
Your
that.
friends are not true. That means they are
They show
going
you-
around you for money.
If
That's
they
it.
shows anything, it shows you how important the money is.
Good answer. All right, today it seems Suresh's unlucky day. Everyone's jumping on him. Let's give both of them a round of applause. Come on. Come on, guys. Fantastic. By the way, just for information, I just hyped up the whole thing. They both are good friends and they both respect each other. But I wanted this competition to be tough. Judges, if you can concur, please. And can I have Colonel Murad and Philip de Mello to please? Okay. You both have to decide who's the winner in each. I want Colonel Murad to announce 2 winners for 2 rounds, Philip de Mello 2 rounds, and then I want RK to announce who are the 2 people who will compete against each other for the finals. Okay? So please discuss between yourselves, Ike and Sundarajan, please, if you can. They will decide in each category who was the winner. Okay, who was the winner in each category.